Oh my gosh, this was so fun. Black light tangling. So I picked up a ink kit that was glow in the dark with this glass pen, and I took a black Zentangle tile and got a black light, and I had so much fun. I love using different mediums when I tangle, from, just using what we normally use, which is ink and graphite, to watercolor pencils, colored pencils, charcoal, and now glow in the dark ink. Come on. So, anyway, I had so much fun doing this. I learned a lot about this kind of ink. It's not super easy to work with, but I did figure some ways around some of the ways that I was getting stuck. But for me, this was just complete 100% fun. And so I start my tangles like I do all of them, with gratitude, no matter what time of day it is, no matter if I'm having the best day in the world, I still start with gratitude, grateful for anything. And, I do like you all do. I take some deep breaths in, breathe in the things that make me happy, and exhale all the garbage and let it go, because I don't want that negative junk to come out in my tangle, and it will. Many people say, oh, no, it doesn't. It does. Your tangle will look better if you go in with gratitude, a good attitude, you feel good, you're relaxed, your shoulders are away from your ears, you're not holding your breath, you're not grinding your teeth, biting the inside of your cheek, clenching your jaw, all those things. Here we go. Bloop. Look at that. Now, I know some of you are going to say, oh, get rid of the watermark. The watermark is very important. I need it to protect my work. So if you see this video anywhere other than outside the lines, please let me know. This was super fun. Here it is. This set that I used is actually on my Amazon affiliate link. I go live every night at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, except for Thursday. I have pre-recorded classes on my website. Zoom class every other Thursday, which also sign up is on my website. You can check out my Etsy shop, all my other links. I hope to see you live.